welcome back to another one of our movies. It's been a while. Wow, we're about to embark on a really cool adventure. We're going up into the Cobourg Peninsula, which is through West Arnhem Land. So we're here at Cales Crossing in Cobourg. Got to get across there, past all the saltwater crockies, traverse through Arnhem Land and then into the national park. Are you pumped?
Absolutely.
Find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe.
Crossing done. Couple of holes in the concrete, which made for a bit of fun, but nah, easy done. Low tide was about an hour ago. We're now officially in Arnhem Land. Just pulled up there, letting the tyres down. Don't know much about the road conditions. They tell us it takes about 3 to 4 hours to get right into the national park. That's from Cobourg, so we've already done about 20 minutes. But whatever we do, it's going to be fun. It's meant to be super, super scenic. We've made it through Arnhem Land. Took about 3 hours to travel through there, and now we're just at the border of the national park. We're now set up in the national park, so it's about another 2 hours through the national park to here. Picked our campsite and all set up. Looking forward to it, so we can stay for up to 7 nights. And the beach is over there and we can hear the ocean. Can't wait to explore.
It's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Come one in a dozen, the other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. This really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be.
Day 3 of our Cobourg Peninsula trip. Today we have been hanging about the coastal area. There's a 20k coastal drive south from the campground. We've just been in the bottom half of that, exploring, fishing and attempting to mud crab and all that sort of stuff. Awesome day. Throw some footage in. Day 2 yesterday we just sort of sussed out the park. I drove around, had a look at the main areas and spoke with the rangers to find out the best activities to do. But one exciting thing for Dave today,
Got my first mangrove jack, so that was pretty cool. Yeah, fishing's pretty good. Getting a few stripies there at the start, and then yeah, mangrove jack come out of nowhere and just smashed me bait, so that was pretty cool, pretty exciting. Yeah, so fishing's been quite good. No mud crabs yet. Sue's been trying pretty hard though.
Absolutely. Alright, we're heading back to camp now. We've got to get some more firewood and then we're going to settle in for a little pizza night.
Yeah.
It's the morning of day 4 of our Cobourg Peninsula trip. Today, just got to go past this little crocodile crossing. Today we're doing a wetlands drive, which will just take us through the middle of the peninsula and then bring us out to the other side down to a creek. Apparently there's some good fishing and mud crabbing down there. So we will see.
Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life changes, just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours.
We're now at Chimon Creek. So this little point is just like a little, I suppose, lookout, and the creek's down in there. So there's a little way we can drive down in there and then we can get out and explore. But what a view! Wow!
What are we doing, Caesar?
Just cooking up some of our fish that we've caught the last couple of days. So this is the mangrove jack that you caught yesterday out on the coast. And then just that little estuary cod, we thought we'd cook it up as well. So we'll have this first and then we'll do the estuary. It's just in the fridge, getting nice and chilled.
Fantastic. Awesome little spot down here. Got him.
Oh my god! Finally! Oh, we got a buddy! Wow! Back from Chimon Creek and Wetlands Drive. As you can see, we've had a pretty awesome day. Camping is awesome here. You know, you've got the shade cloth, a bit hard to see with the dark, this table. Rubbish bins over there, which they change every day. It's just awesome, nice big site. Anyway, we've been loving just the remote camping and cooking. Tonight we've done a pork belly and we're just going to have some stir fry veggies. Davo's cutting up the pork belly. Last night we did pizzas. Night before we did pulled pork. And we had street tacos. Alright, it's the evening of day 5 of our Cobourg Peninsula trip. We're just at Smith Point and we're coming for sunset. Over there is a very, very old lighthouse, so right at the point. Sun's going to go down there. And this is where we're going to hang out. Watch the sunset and have a little bite to eat. Today we did a little bit of driving around the top part of the coastal area and then we actually came here and did some fishing. Not as much luck today with fishing as we had been in the last couple of days. We're down at Black Point boat ramp, and we're going out on a boat tour. So it's called the Explorer Tour, but they take us to areas of the Cobourg Peninsula you can't access with a car, and then some fishing. It's meant to be an awesome day out. We're looking forward to it.
Should be good. Hopefully we're catching, not fishing.
Oh wow.
Yeah, nice one.
Oh wow.
Get up here. One on him. Yeah, got another one. Yeah, yeah, this one. It's got a bit of go in him, hasn't it?
Yeah, I feel a bit green, eh?
There we go.
Woohoo!
Cod?
Codley! Thank you.
Grassy or? Landed on his head, eh? I must have. Literally. Bang.
I know. Oh, taxman!
Being taxed.
That's a fun.
Oh, really?
Being taxed there.
That's what the
Shark
shark
did
is.
it.
That would have been a minute and a half. Going close. The biggest hits I've seen for a long time, mate.
Oh!
Shark. The shark. You love the sharks.
That was insane.
Yeah, it was insane, wasn't it?
Come to Arnhem Land, they said. Fishing's good.
3, 1, 2 east. Day 7 of our Cobourg Peninsula tour. My goodness, what a epic day yesterday was. As you would have seen, all of the footage of the fish catching. So much fun. Today we're heading out of the Cobourg Peninsula, so we've got that big drive through the National Park and then through West Arnhem Land and back across Cales Crossing, where we'll finish the trip. It's been an epic week. Damo?
Yeah, absolutely unreal area. Just untouched. It's good how they limit the numbers. The fishing is just on point. So, yeah, absolutely worth the visit out here.
And we're back at Kale's. Cobourg Peninsula done.
It's cool.
How cool was that? Oh, I can see a few salties there in the water. A couple of boat tours. Oh, there's one crossing, is there? Oh, is that?
How unreal.
Such an epic trip. Such an epic trip.